All right, what's up, everybody? We back again with another video. I made a quick trip down to Summit. As y'all know, with the last video, I had that power steering issue with the line popping. So my pops brought the line. So I already cut that to length to match this one. And I was gonna reuse the fittings on this one, but I didn't know that these were a crimp fitting. So I had to go to Summit and then, went to Summit and got the 120 that I need coming off of the pump, and then the straight that I need going into the rack. So go ahead, make the lineup, fix the power steering issue, and then the next thing that we got in this video that I'm gonna throw on, I got the Corbeau harnesses. I'm gonna open the box up and show you what they look like. All right, yeah, so I got the black Corbeau 2-inch belts with the nice attachment on there. I like that a lot. And then also, what I like a lot, where is it? Yeah, it's just a quick latch. Just a quick latch mechanism. So that's real nice too. I like that. So I'm gonna throw the belts on, fix the power steering issue, and we'll be good to go. I just vacuumed out the back of the car, so let's go ahead and get to work. Yeah, just tossing them in the seat, not bolted in or anything. They look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop drooling over them real quick, and go ahead and get them bolted in and adjusted. All right, so I got the driver's seat mounted, seat belt. Got the driver's seat belt mounted. Did the X in the back. That's the first mount, and then the other mount over there. So yeah, I got the seat belts in, got them adjusted, got them good. But the only thing that bothers me, because the X in the back isn't exactly even with each other, is, as you see, the Corbeaus don't match. That bothers the hell out of me. So I'm gonna keep messing with them to see if I can get them to match with each other. But if not, I guess that's just something that I'm gonna have to deal with, unfortunately. But we're gonna see what we can do. But for now, I'm gonna just go ahead and start tossing in the passenger seat belt so we can go ahead and get started on that power steering line. All right, so it's the next day. I got both the seat belt harnesses installed. I was up real late last night getting them installed. Everything was straightforward, just on both the harnesses. That bolt and that one over there, they were a pain in the ass to get to. So, but that's the passenger one in. Yeah, I'm really happy with how those came out together. And if you could see it through the windshield. Not really, I need to clean it. And then here's the driver's side one more time. So, yeah, I'm real happy with how they came out. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and show you how they look. Alright, now that I got the harnesses installed, the last order of business is the power steering line, like I said before. Just go ahead and make this up, throw that in, start it up, make sure it don't leak, ready for a test drive. Alright, cool. So I got the line fixed after a good little bit later. That stainless steel line ain't no joke to work with. But I got the line on. Shine the light. That's it. See it down there. Going into the rack. And then boom, underneath the pump to the 120 right there. And it's a little warm. I did already start it up, test drive it, and didn't find no leaks. It was whining for a little bit, but there was some air in the system. I had to keep topping off the fluid, but now it's full. But the fluid is a little bit dirty, all that old fluid that was in the rack from the other, the other engine. So I'm gonna keep not bleeding it, swapping out the fluid, drive it around for a little bit, suck out the fluid that's in there, put new fluid in, drive it around some more, suck out that fluid, put it in. Keep doing that until the fluid's completely clean. That way I know everything's good. But now that that's good, you see that's good, the harness is in, it's ready to go. Like I said, I already took it on a test drive, but I'm gonna just go ahead and start it up, let y'all hear it, let it idle for a little bit, and we'll call it from there. Oh yeah, and another thing too, I don't want to let it run for too long because I still got to clean up some more of that power steering fluid that leaked out. I got most of it that was on the engine and the block and everything, but from when I pulled it in the garage, when the line bust, more fluid leaked out. So there's still some residue left, and it was burning off when I took it on the test drive. Yeah, so that's my baby in all her glory. Damn, I love it. Damn. But alright, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the support, everybody that keeps watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. So I'll see y'all next time.